Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. Guys, this is a DIY that we all must do. And why I say we must do is because it is required of us. No sew face mask, okay? And I got this idea from a girl on YouTube. Her channel is Nene Express. So I just want to thank her and give her a shout out for uh, introducing us all to this no sew face mask. All you need is two materials: um, sports socks and scissors. Now I got mine from the Dollar Tree, and it came like this, and it was a pack of 3 pair of socks for $1, and it would yield you 6 masks. And as you can see, it's athletic men's socks that I had got, 3 pair in it. So let's get to it. Okay, you got your sock. Make sure the heel always faces down. Okay, so you have the top of the sock on the top. And what you're simply going to do is you're going to cut the toe off, just like so. Once you cut the toe off, you just want, keeping the heel down and the top of the foot at the top, you want to cut along the top. Put your scissors on the inside, hope you guys can see, and cut along the top all the way up until you get a half piece. Okay, make sure that is, you put it back even. You don't even have to, I just pulled it apart just so you guys could see. I'm just going to fold up to where the heel is. Just fold it up there in half, keeping the heel down. You want to pick a place, whether you have to decide whether you want the strap thick or thin. I kind of like mine thin, so I'm gonna go in about here and cut right there. See, that's how it's cut. Open it up, and these are adjustable, so you can kind of play along around with it. I got coffee filters from the Dollar Tree. There's 200 in a pack for $1. You want to place the coffee filter inside where the heel goes. That way it fits your nose and your mouth, and it will filter out any impurities. But this mask is washable, reusable. You can bedazzle this. They are so comfortable and lightweight, and you won't have to keep throwing them away, keep buying. You just rewash them, reuse them. You can custom make these. You can get your glue gun out or your fabric glue and put your favorite fabric on it with the different patterns. You can bedazzle. You can glue you some diamonds or what have you. I got the rib part right here that would have been around the ankle, and the heel part fits on the heel part fits on the nose and the mouth. Okay. Play around with it. It's adjustable. It's not tight. It's comfortable. That way you have a custom-made mask, honey. You know mine is going to be bedazzled. And like I said, you play around with it. If you don't like where the straps are, place it back together with the heel facing down, and you can elongate, which I think I'm going to do with these. Just elongate that strap. Give you a little bit more room. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You custom make it to your specifications. Put that heel, as you can see, is right at my nose area. If you want to, you can put that little piece, just fold it under, don't want your mask to go too high. Put fabric, put bedazzlement. There's a multiple array of options you have with these. And they're washable, reusable. You don't have to keep buying disposable masks. Get your coffee filters. Put it right in the middle here. Put that over your face and boom, you're protected. Inexpensive. Array of decorating options. Uh, Dollar Tree items, you know. And if you have socks laying around your home where you know how the dryer eats up some and they might have different patterns on them themselves. Do them the same way. You don't have to throw your one sock out anymore. Make sure it's clean. This is Deeja the Diva, the DIY No So Sock. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to. Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up to let me know you came through. Shoot me a comment and say, hey, I was here. And I'll give you a shout out. I love you to life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.